guys! It's me again, Cherry. So for today's video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang progress ng aming piggery after 14 days of construction. So guys, but before we proceed, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Please click the notification bell for you to get updated on our incoming video. So guys, here we go. I'm here again at farm. So I'm coming back here every Wednesday, and I'm coming back home every Sunday, going back to Cavite. Because our house is located in Cavite and our farm is located in San Juan, Batangas. So here we are. So as usual, the little kubo is nipa hut is still here, and yeah. So the sky is a bit cloudy today. So I just arrived here an hour ago. So I will show you today's update. So guys, please keep on watching. So guys, here's the update of our construction project, which is, to be specific, is the piggery. It's a project of me and my husband. So as you can see, they started already on for roofing. See, it's not filled yet. This will be the back part. The whole way. As you can see, there are some that not filled yet. See, this is going to be the pig pen. So the floor will be leveled in this one. Floor level here. See? See? So this is the update of the construction, and as you can see in this part, I'm going to build something for my borrowing for the mother pig until there. So this is it, the construction update. We're almost there. We're almost there. So is it? It's amazing, guys. So this may take longer than usual. It's because it's quite big anyway. This is 12 pig pen to build in total, and each pig pen is can fit 15 heads. And sorry guys if the video is a bit shaky, it's because I don't have a stabilizer. So in this part, I'm going to build storage for the pig food, because this is the water tank. So where is it? It's as usual a sunset. So guys, hope you like this video. So guys, the deposit is still not finished. Is I want them to finish this to start a roofing, and then they can go with this deposit. So I hope there is no water anymore. Oh, see, there's still water in it. So guys, the views is very nice. The property is kind of a bit messy, but soon I will organize this area. So guys, before I end this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell for you to get notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, thank you for watching, and please click the thumbs up and share to your friends. Thank you, and bye-bye.